Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix a disabled Meta WhatsApp account. Let's get started. First of all, understand why the account was disabled. WhatsApp usually disables account for using unofficial app, violating terms of services and sending spam or suspicious activity. So, for that, first of all, you have to make sure you are using the official WhatsApp. Uninstall any modified version like GB WhatsApp, WhatsApp Plus or similar. Go to the App Store, search for WhatsApp in the search bar and just like that install WhatsApp Messenger by Meta only. After that, head back to your home screen, open up your WhatsApp application. And just like that, you can go ahead and simply enter your phone number, and if your account is disabled, you will see a message saying it's disabled. You can simply tap on review a request, enter a brief explanation, and then submit the request and wait for WhatsApp response. After that, head back to your home screen, open up your browser, and just like that, simply search for whatsapp.com/contact. Now, you need to enter your phone number with the country code and email and explain that your account was disabled and request reactivation. Reviews usually takes 24 to 72 hours, and if WhatsApp finds no violation, your account should be restored. If the ban is permanent, WhatsApp will clearly state that the decision is final. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next